Biotechnology is the new data, says Professor Nicholas at MIT. The concept of bioeconomy was proposed by the OECD in 2003, and it referred to a shift from conventional fossil fuel-based economy to biological materials-based economy. The goal of 2030 is a more innovative and low-emissions economy, reconciling demand for sustainable agriculture and fisheries, food security, and the sustainable use of renewable biological resources for industry purpose, while ensuring biodiversity and environmental protection. OECD predicts the expansion of bioeconomy-related market reach up to the 1.6 trillion US dollar in the world. Most of the OECD total business spending on biotechnology research and development in 2003 was in the health sector at 87%. However, the OECD estimated share of total value in 2013 is 36% for agriculture. Now, let's talk about Japan. The Japanese Cabinet Office has created an integrated innovation strategy. The four main items are: the first is the new coronavirus response. The second one is smart city. The third one is for young researchers. Unfortunately, fewer and fewer young people in Japan are choosing to become researchers. The fourth one, which is closely related to what we are talking about today, is the strengthening of basic technology, such as artificial intelligence and biotechnology, as well as safe and secure social environment. Let's take a look at the list of bioeconomy policy from the Ministry of Economy, Trade and Industry, METI, which was 19th area. The scope related to the bioeconomy is very broad and socially important. Unfortunately, we don't have a section of the genetic resources, but we do see several things that have to do with biological materials themselves. Bio and data create a new world. The combination of bioinformation and artificial intelligence IT can be used to design biological function. Combining the biotechnology, such as breeding technology, metabolic regulation, and genome editing, will create something of high value, which we call a smart cell. Smart cell will create new industry. New approach to medicine are possible through the application of in vivo functional expression. These will give rise to the innovation in new treatment for disease, such as personalized medicine and regenerative medicine. Furthermore, they create a new regenerative medicine. Furthermore, they create a new use of the bioresources as functional materials. These include manufacturing of artificial spider silk and raw materials for medicine. In the energy sector, they will contribute to the decarbonization, such as bioethanol. In addition, As primary medicine treatment, they will create the allergy-free foods. These are examples of high-function materials, includes artificial spider silk, biodegradable plastic, antibody, biofuel, and artificial meat. Last one is the functional fish, which we are also involved in.